So I cut a smaller piece. I will add it here in. It's hopefully a bit easier on two sides. Of course we will have a connection point, but it is as it is. Can't change it. Could be worse. Could be more nice. Let's try it out. A little bit deeper. That looks quite good. Make it like this. We have two small connection points. Well, it's okay. Now we just need to work. And we need to add it in. That's the most annoying part. Because I can't move it more up, only down. Getting really narrow. Fingers crossed. We're in mostly. Even too far. Oh, come on. Not too bad, right? Quite good, I would say. Let's get to the second part. Now, second part. Would match in quite well. Just adjust the height and cut a little bit because the height is a little bit different. This we can do. Luckily. Looks good, I would say. Then takes a cutter. This nice tool. Step it in the right angle and cut it hopefully off in the right angle. If not, we can do everything again. No, looks good. Nice. Of course, everyone has tools and stuff, but I think that looks already neat.